Ladies and gentlemen, Godfather back to you with another video. Today I'll be showing you how to save or download anyone's story using an app called Story Downloader. To get the app, you need to go to Google Play Store and type in the search box Story Downloader for Instagram. To use the app, you just need to open it up and sign into your Instagram account. After that, you need to go to someone's Instagram account. For example, I chose Talia's Instagram account, one of my favorite actresses and singers. We need to copy the link of that profile. So, after copying someone's Instagram profile link, you need to go into the app and tap on the paste button. After that, hit download. Choose any of the above stories you want to download or save, and hit the download button, and it will be saved to your gallery. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please DM me on my Instagram account or Facebook. I'll be more than happy to help you out.